Use a light touch and precise technique when painting baseboards above carpet to prevent paint buildup in corners and along the carpet edge. Start by removing as much loose dust and hair from the carpet edge as possible and vacuum the nook so paint does not stick to fibers. Fold a thin strip of painter tape over the carpet edge and press it into the gap between baseboard and pile, leaving a small reveal so the paintbrush can seat against the board without touching fibers. Load the brush sparingly by wiping most paint back into the tray and work with a sash or angled brush sized to the width of the baseboard, then drag the brush away from the carpet with smooth, single-stroke passes to avoid the need for repeated touching. Work in short sections no longer than a foot and immediately tip or smooth the wet edge with the brush held flat to the board to remove excess paint that would otherwise run down toward the carpet. Keep a damp microfiber cloth or small wet sponge in hand to catch drops and to wipe the tape edge as you go so pooling cannot form and later dry into a ridge. If you must cut in near corners or gaps where tape cannot sit flush, use a thin artist brush for the corner and then feather outward with the larger brush while the paint is still wet to blend without buildup. Common problems start with too much paint on the brush, which leads to drips that soak into the carpet nap, so load less and wipe off excess before each pass and immediately dab any drips with the damp cloth. Another frequent issue is pressing the brush too hard against the board, which forces paint under the tape and into the carpet, so use light contact and let the brush do the work while maintaining an angled, rolling motion away from the carpet. A third concern is allowing paint to dry in the gap before smoothing, causing a raised bead, so always work small and keep a wet edge by finishing each segment in one go and checking corners again before the paint skins over. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers tools to post projects and review bids, so we help match needs to available professionals. We also run an active discussion community where we and other users share field tips, product choices, and step-by-step tricks for jobs like clean baseboard painting above carpet.